guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting video coming up. We all know what these are. These are squishies. I'm going to put my hair up in a second. But today I'm going to be trying to do makeup with squishies instead of brushes, beauty blenders, all that. I'm even going to try to do mascara with squishies, so this is going to be very interesting. So I hope you guys stay tuned and you like the video. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put my hair up real quick. Wait, be back when I have my hair up. I have my hair up. It looks really bad, so please don't judge. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is this bread squishy and foundation. Okay, this is gonna be really interesting. So I'm putting it on the poor squishy, and then I'm gonna put it onto my face like I'm using a beauty blender, except it's a squishy. And rub it in. Oh my gosh. This is really hard to do. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, I might be washing these squishies after. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is not blending at all. You can see the little line there, just, oh my gosh. This looks so bad. The poor squishies, like, oh no. Next, highlight. For a highlight, we're gonna be using this pink squishy. That's the oh my gosh, you can't even, no nose. This is so hard. It's like they're doing your makeup with a fidget spinner thing. Now, we're gonna do ice. I said that really weird, ice. Now I'm gonna be using this Panda Squishy. It's so hard to tell a difference, but like, oh my gosh, you see, does this light, I'll be back and I'll let you guys know if the light, so the light works better, but you can see how not blended and bad the makeup looks, so thanks squishies. So next, I'm very excited for an eyeliner. Now we're gonna be using this one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Literally, it's not coming off. It's not coming off the squishy. So, eyeliner was a bust. Now for mascara. This is going to be very interesting. So I have the mascara brush. I'm going to take this squishy, paint it on. Oh no, poor squishy. And then take it, then put it. Oh my gosh. Come on, queen. I look like I just got dumped at prom. Just like, okay, other side. Need a little bit more mascara. Has to be wet for sure. What even? Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. Oh my gosh. The lighting, it makes me look like I just have glitter in that one area because of the highlight. Okay, now for lip gloss. Oh my gosh. So I'm taking the lip gloss, again, painting it onto the squishy. Well, the lip gloss, I have to say, is working way better than the mascara did, clearly. but it's just a little bit more quaint. Oh. Okay. This is, no. Okay. I thought I had a little bit more eyeshadow, so, oh my goodness. Do you guys want a close-up of this look right now? This is with a squishy. Look at my lips. And my mascara and the foundation. Oh my gosh, no. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to add even more eyeshadow because you can barely see it. I feel like I have to do a fun color. This poor squishy and this poor squishy. This one I didn't use a lot of. But, oh no. Okay. So we'll take this, no, we'll do this one again. We'll add a little bit of dark blue, apparently. Oh my gosh. Seriously, this looks like I don't know. I don't even know. And what if in the outer crease I do it darker? This reminds me of like when Colleen Ballinger does like these makeup videos. She did her one with the fidget spinner and then one where just kids makeup. I would call this good quality makeup, like from Sephora, Mary Kay. I don't know. Oh, Ulta. I don't remember where I got this. Wait a second. This is eyes, right? Wait, did they? This is so weird. They must have came with blushes, but I don't have them anymore. But I look at it and it says this about the blush to not put it on my eyes, so. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is really bad. Okay, are you guys ready for the full finished wonderful? Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, my eyeshadow, my mascara didn't even get on my eyelashes, my lips, my foundation isn't even blended in. It's not open. Oh my gosh. This looks so weird. Oh my gosh. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry this is one of the weirdest videos I've ever posted, but I just felt like doing it. Now I'm gonna go wash my face. Peace out, y'all. So here's me washing my face. Yeah, and I was washing the squishies. That's basically it. Does this light work better? 1 second. It just came back in my face.